So I've been up visiting North Idaho, and I got to do something that I haven't done before. I went to the Buck Knives factory and got me a new shirt at the factory store. I also picked up a couple knives I'm going to show you. They had a little museum there. They had a factory store with shirts and hats and knives. And they also had, their museum was basically just one guy's collection of all his buck knives. It was kind of crazy how many he had. And then they do factory tours, but I got there kind of late in the day, so I didn't get in on that. But it'll give me a reason to go back again. So the factory store is the only place you can buy Blemished knives. And so that's where I got a couple from the store. So this is the new Range Pro Elite Slim, or not Slim, a Mini. So I would have preferred the Range Pro Elite full size, but this is the Mini one. Pretty sweet. Anodized aluminum handles, magna cut blade, crossbar lock. Now this one is marked right there on the handle with that red sticker. That's where the blemish was. It looks like there was a little scratch in the finish there. But if you're a user, that's going to happen. So this is kind of cool. I heard pretty good things about it from other knife reviewers. There's a little bit of wiggle side to side. You can maybe tighten that up in the pivot a little bit. You don't want to mess with the action though, because it's really good. It's got anodized thumb studs and a deep carry pocket clip that's top mounted. And although this is the Mini, it's still pretty good sized. I can still get almost 4 fingers on it, like 3.5, 3.25. But it's a good 3-finger grip. It's got jimping along the spine. It looks like it's got a half flat grind, almost a saber grind, I would say. But it should be plenty slicey. And they did a really nice job with this knife, actually. So super excited about this. Let's see. How long is that blade? I think it's just under 3 inches, like 2.8, 2.9. So still a decent sized knife for being a mini knife. This one, they had a whole stack of these. I was wondering why they were so cheap. I'll put the prices in the bottom here in the comments or in the description of the video. This is a 102. This is an upgraded model though, because this has green micarta handles and a CPM 154 blade. So these were not so much blemished from what he told me. They just took spare parts that they had left over and assembled these knives here in Idaho, made in USA. So it's kind of like a second, I guess, because it was made up with spare parts. This maybe wasn't an original configuration or something. So anyways, pretty sweet little knife. I can get my 4 fingers on it. And it has, oh gosh, it looks like it's at least a 4-inch blade. But it feels really good with the micarta, the green micarta handle. The only thing I wished, the one on display had a brown sheath, and I didn't open up this box before I grabbed it, and it has a black sheath, which is fine. I just wished I would have gotten one with a brown sheath. I should have checked that when he said they were made up of spare parts. Anyways, I should have opened it and looked what I got, but pretty cool. Excited about these 2 knives. Excited to go try them out. All right, joke time. I'm going to spit some quick dad jokes. How do you find Will Smith in a snowstorm? You look for the Fresh Prince. What did Michael Jackson call his denim store? Billie Jeans. How do you wake up Lady Gaga? You poker face. Why did Snoop Dogg carry an umbrella? For drizzle. And what concert cost 45 cents? 50 Cent with Nickelback.